Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a leaf blower. I love Kobalt tools. This is a brushless 24 volt max leaf blower. Perfect time of year to show you how it works. This is what it looks like here. It's got an adjustable trigger, so you can see here. So you can adjust and lock it into place. They use the 24 volt max 4 amp hour batteries. That's what I use on this, which is fantastic. I love those batteries. Those are great batteries. And it just works. It's lightweight. It's very well balanced on the hands. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. You can see how well balanced on the hand it is. You can just see that it works well. I got a bunch of leaves here I'm going to blow and show you how this works. I've had this for about a couple of years now and had no issues whatsoever. Zero issues, and that is huge. You can see how it looks in the hand. Let me just turn it around. So I want you to see how well it's balanced on the hand. Look at this. Absolutely amazing in the shade. I want you to see this, how well this is balanced. So I'm just going to blow some leaves. I'm going to show you how this works real quick. Got a lot of leaves today. Nice day to just demonstrate how this leaf blower works, and I definitely highly recommend this one here. All right, let's blow some leaves and show you how it works. Okay, so I have some leaves here. You can see a bunch of leaves in the ground. I'm just going to show you how it works. It's variable. It's like I said, so you have the variable power. You can lock it into place and watch this. Fantastic. We can just see how it blows the leaves beautifully. Total control over the whole thing. Look at that, how it just pushes them all around. Look at this fan. And as I said, you can control it. I want you to see how well this works. Look at this. This is awesome. You just push everything up. You have all control. You can go high, you can go low, you can go fast, you can go slow. You can just crank it all the way up. I believe it's 150 miles an hour, which is really awesome. You can just see how this works at. Blows the leaves everywhere. Total control. And you can just see how nice this works so well. I absolutely love this leaf blower. You can just see how you're doing it like that. You can just see how it's working beautifully. It pushes them right up. Look at that. Now that is a leaf blower. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is a fantastic leaf blower. Definitely leave a link down below if you're interested in this leaf blower. Check out the product. I think it's fantastic. I love it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review.